Hello students, this is NCERT Maths class 10th exercise 3.7 question number 7. The question is solve the following pair of linear equations. So first part is px plus qy equals to p minus q, and second part is qx minus py equals to p plus q. That is equation 1 and equation 2. So use elimination method to solve this question. So 1 into p plus 2 into q. So we get p square x plus pqy equals to p square minus pq, and from second equation q square x minus pqy equals to pq plus q square. So y will be cancelled and we get p square plus q square into x equals to p square plus q square, hence x equals to 1. Now put x equals to 1 in any equation, so we get y equals to minus 1. That is the answer. Next part is, that is for second part. First equation is ax plus by equals to c, and second equation is bx plus ay equals to 1 plus c. That is equation 2. Now use elimination method. So 1 into a minus 2 into b. So we get a square x plus aby equals to ca, and second equation b square x minus aby equals to b plus bc. So minus minus, so y will be cancelled out, and x times a square minus b square will be c into a minus b, hence x equals to c into a minus b divided by a square minus b square. Now put value of x in any one equation, we get y equals to c into a minus b plus a divided by a square minus b square. That is the answer. Now see the third part. For third part, first equation is, first equation is x by a minus y by b equals to 0. That is bx minus ay equals to 0. That is equation 1. And second equation is ax plus by equals to a square plus b square. That is equation 2. Now use elimination method. So 1 into b plus 2 into a. So we get b square x minus aby equals to 0, and from second a square x plus aby equals to a into a square plus b square. So y will be cancelled out, and x into a square plus b square equals to a into a square plus b square. So a square plus b square cancelled out, so x equals to a. Now put value of x in any one equation to solve for y, so we get y equals to b. That is the answer. Next is part 4. So for part 4, first equation is a minus b into x plus a plus b into x equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square. That is equation 1. and second equation is a plus b into x plus a plus b into y equals to a square plus b square. So again use elimination method to solve this. So equation 1 minus 2, so we get a, so we get a minus b into x plus a plus b, or just subtract from the given equation. That is 1 minus 2, so minus 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 minus, so y will be here. So second y will be cancelled out from here, so we get x times a minus b minus a minus b equals to minus 2ab minus 2b square. So a will be cancelled out, minus 2bx equals to minus 2b into a plus b. So x is a plus b. Now put value of x in any one equation to get y as minus 2ab divided by a plus b. That is the answer. So now last part, that is part fifth. So for fifth part, first equation is 152x minus 378y equals to minus 74. That is equation 1. Minus 378x plus 150y equals to minus 604. That is equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. So we get 226 and minus x minus y equals to minus 678. So minus x minus y will be minus 3. That is equation 1. Again subtract 2 from 1, we get 530 into x minus y equals to 530. So x minus y equals to 1. That is let equation 3 and equation 4. Now solve equation 3 and 4. So add equation 3 and 4. We get minus 2y equals to minus 2, and so y equals to 1. Put y in any one, so we get x equals to 2. So x equals to 2 and